Hello friends! In this video 12 incredible tools available on Aliexpress. Link on these gadgets in the description below the video. Don't forget to subscribe, push like, click on the bell and let's go! Six-fold ruler. Make the job easier. This will help you in construction and repair. Silicone caulking tools. Great stuff and easy to use, I recommend it. Electric drill A near power. Powerful and reliable tool. You can drill the wood, metal, plastic and more. Crimping tool. This pliers is a good assistance for you. Mick Tiger heat gun. A good assistant at work and a good helper at home. Stepless thermostat. Completation with LCD display. It is a reliable and powerful hot air gun. Hilda laser level. Remote control. Easy to use. 16 lines. Lifting platform. Can be for indoor and outdoor use. It is a really great laser level. Non-contact electrical tester. If you need to work with electricity, you must be careful, so use non-contact digital voltage detector pen. Electric Silker Saw Prostormer. Working with wood? It's easy with Prostormer tools. Thermal friction drill bit. Mini Smart Portable Digital Soldering Iron Tool. Hilda electric drill. It is a great tool. You can drilling, polishing, clean rust and more. Electric spray gun Prostormer. Easy spray for all. Flow control. Large capacity. Detachable body. Prostormer, it's a cool brushless electric spray gun. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and see you in the next video.